Okay, the room next door to the one with the Hunter original in it has got this 52-inch hugger. This is a Bahama brand, and it's been in this room probably since the early 90s. That's what the light looks like. On high. Medium. And low. And it is reversible. And off. And the wood panel that the fan's mounted to was a temporary thing, but it's real low on the list to take it down and patch it all up and put it back up. I think it's for structure as well, to hold the fan motor up. That was done by my grandfather many years ago, but doesn't look too bad, and it works. The bearings are in pretty good shape yet. It's got a pretty long spin down time. This has been the early 90s Bahama 52-inch hugger ceiling fan with 5 light kit. Thank you for watching.